there's a lot of competing approaches to try and get to the end user, and security at the edge is something that is obviously important, particularly as applications move closer to the edge. And it comes down to how users choose to access whatever application they require, how they design not so much their network, but their accessibility based upon the apps, clouds, networks, and infrastructure which they choose to use. And to the extent that that security at the edge can be developed at an access point in such a way that makes sense, that's fine. I think once again, MEF can serve as an organizing structural framework for some of that thought process. It's really only come up in the last year and a half, couple of years, with Gartner giving it some attention. There are a couple of companies that have been engaged in this mindset from the onset already. A company out of Israel called Cato, I think, has done a lot of work in this space and certainly have received the most notoriety. But you have to take a look at how the industry itself is looking at what are the different applications, what are the different infrastructures, what are the different networks, what are the different clouds, how do all of those interface and integrate. And I think we have to be careful that SASE doesn't necessarily become a competition to cloud or a competition to a network. It's an approach to assure that you have a secure end environment for an application or a device or an infrastructure component, and all that is quite critical. There are a lot of different ways to get there, and I think that MEF will help contribute to deliver a commonly understood value framework for that.